Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to share Instagram Reels to Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, as you can see, I have already posted a reel. Let's head over there. And if you want to share your Reels on Facebook, make sure you have connection with your Facebook or linked up with Facebook. So let me head over to my linked up channel first. So once you are there, you will find any sort of post or reels that you have posted, and from there you can just share them like with a paper plane icon from here. So you can go to WhatsApp or Facebook to post them. So yeah, this is all you need to do is just to tap on Facebook, and it will be just posted to Facebook. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.